What's the meaning of chocka? Chocka. Chocka.
Chocka. Chocka. Chocka is a slang term commonly used in British English, which means full or crowded. It is often used to describe a space or area that is filled to capacity with people or objects. The word is derived from the phrase chock-a-block, which has been in use since the mid-19th century. When something is described as chocka, it means there is no more room for any additional objects or individuals. It can also be used to describe someone's schedule or workload when they are overloaded with tasks.